The Herald List widget simply is a list type post layout displaying a large number of posts in a list formation. Let's see how it works. From the layout section, you can select single column or double for the layout. Increase column gap if necessary. On query, you can select the source of the display items from posts. There are options for choosing specific category, tag, or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switches. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. Let's move on to the Style tab. On the Items section, you'll find Content Padding option, Border Radius, Item Padding, Background, and Box Shadow options. Let's change the background color into gradient. From the title section, change the color to black in order to match the background. Do the same with the author and date. From the category section, set border around the category and set its color. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.